810 Warthog here at the Southern California Air Show. Static display. I'm here on Sunday morning, just prior to gates open. Getting a few little videos and pictures without the crowds. I don't mind them with the crowd sometimes too. It's kind of nice to see, especially kids enjoying this and talking to pilots and all that stuff. But it is nice just to have it here without many people to get a different angle, different shots. Cool little thing here. Quite sure what that is. Take a quick little peek over here. F-15, Cal Air National Guard.